welcome back to my video, guys. For those that are new, I'm Britt and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I think it's gonna be like a part one of a series. I'm not sure yet, but I plan to redecorate or redo my whole entire bedroom. So we are headed to Overstock Liquidation, right? I'm with my mom, actually. Yeah, hi. So yeah, which is like a store that is like an hour and like 15 minutes away from my house. So that's why we're in the car. We have about half an hour left. But it's basically a store that has, well, she tells me, or she's looked up, it's kind of like a, what is it, like a designer store that is like,
I don't even know, it's a warehouse.
Like that has stuff, you know? I just want to like redo my whole entire room. So I mean, it's not like I'm looking for like high-end stuff. It's just, I just have a vision in my head and I want it to come to life. So we're just gonna go there and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find something, because to go ahead and drive like an hour and 15 minutes to not get anything, it kind of sucks. But
it shouldn't suck because she's with her mom.
I know, I was about to say that. We have like a nice little mom and daughter day, you know. Yeah. So, but yeah. Yeah, hopefully this is gonna be like part one of a series, but that's why I'm gonna be vlogging today, because I'm gonna be taking you guys with us to see if we can find stuff. So I guess we'll see you guys when we pull up to the store. Apparently there's my mom read that there's quite a lineup due to like COVID and everything. I guess they're only letting a certain amount of people into the stores. So she had to book an appointment, which is for 1. So it says that we should arrive at 1:01. So our time is actually going down. So she's killing the driving right now. So we should make it on time. But hopefully I can like film in there, because I don't know. And that makes me nervous because I've never actually like filmed inside a store before. So I guess we'll see what happens when we get there. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and enjoy this little ride that we have left, and then I guess we'll see you guys at the store. It's not sitting great. I don't know how to do it, but we need to put on our masks.
Oh yes. We reach.
Yay, we're here. Gotta put on. I need to go pee like bad. Oh my god. Oh, wrong way. Ready? Yep. Let's do this. Oh, don't forget this. Nope. Can't forget that. Can't forget this. Also can't forget that. Okay. See you all later. Oh. Yeah, you good? I need to turn down the air for a second.
I'm overheated.
Yeah, holy, it's hot. I was sweating through that mask. Thank God I'm wearing all black, because I don't even know if you guys can tell. Oh, and I'm sweating everywhere. Like, I need to take another shower.
I went into the washroom and was like, oh my god, my face is like so flushed right here.
Like, holy smokes. I mean, as you can see, we're back in the car.
Did you want any cool drink?
No. I'm okay right now.
French fries.
Yeah, I haven't eaten yet at all today.
Oh my gosh.
But as you guys see, we're back in the car now. I think it was a good trip. I don't know if you could see behind me, but we got two little, not drawers, not little storage things. I'm planning to build my own desk slash like vanity desk type thing. I don't know. So we got 2 little like basic nightstands for the legs. So that is step 1. I need so much more, but I mean for 39 bucks, that's not a bad deal. I need to just go home and like clean it up and like switch some stuff around, but I think we could do it. So I think this shopping has been a good shopping day. Yes. I don't know, but time for food because I'm starving. And yeah, I tried to film in there as you guys saw, but it just wasn't happening. There was just way too many people and the store was small and there was stuff everywhere. So yeah,
I can't go out that way.
You can't get out that way, I don't think.
No,
so
I just want to go closer to this car so I can just kind of like turn around.
So we're gonna go find some food now.
Ouch.
Because I need liquid and food inside me. So now we're just trying to get out.
And this big ass truck is like, that's what happens when you drive a big vehicle.
I don't know if y'all could see that. Oh my god, you could just see that burger looks so good. This woman's currently trying to reverse right now. Just got our lunch. My mom got a junior burger, a large fry, and I got, no, I can't even see it, a cabin burger.
Look at her size.
Oh my god. Oh god, you really can't see me. Hey, what's up? But I feel like if you're in Trent and you don't go to the cabin, then what are you doing? Like, the cabin is the place to go. I'll show you. Good. So good. And of course we're eating inside the car because ain't no one trying to be overheating while eating or sweating while eating. Not us. We too bougie for that. Okay, I'm gonna go eat now. I am finally home now, but I need to go ahead and clean these bad boys, so I'm gonna go ahead and attempt to do that right now, and then after I'll show you guys the finished product and what I got. Also, one of the doors are swinging both the same way, and I kind of want them both to swing out, if that makes sense. So I need to switch the doors around. So, but I'll be showing you guys all that later after I clean and do everything to them. So let me start.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait?
Okay, so these are the actual finished drawers, as you guys can see. Say hi to Roxy. Yeah, so I cleaned them all up and this is what they look like. I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but this is the lighting I have to work with. So, and I don't know if you can hear in the background, my mom is watching a movie. So, they're just like 2 basic little drawers with 3 little cabinet spaces. And yeah, so I mean, so I was looking for some that had a lot of storage in them so I can put, basically, because I want to use it, like I said, for my vanity and desk. So I want to put paperwork and all my makeup in there. So I think these are big enough. I was looking at the ones from IKEA, but those are like 99 bucks, and I saw these for 39, and I was like, you know what? They would do the exact same thing as the IKEA ones, and I'm getting them for a lot less, so might as well. There is like a few little nicks and all on them, but I feel like I can just cover it up, or you know, just spray paint them. So I feel like this is not gonna bother me that much. So I was like, you know what, whatever, I'm buying it. The only problem right now, and I'll show you guys right now, is that they both, as you can see, they both open up the exact same way. And for my desk, I want them to both open up, you know, outwards. But, you know, this one opens up inwards. So, it looks like I can switch the hinges around. Yeah, it looks like I can switch them around. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to do that. Sorry, my video said storage full, so it cut out. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and try to switch the door around so that they could both open up outwards. I'm gonna do one because, let me show you guys. It actually kind of just doesn't close properly. So I'm gonna see if I can close it properly when I switch it around. So I'm gonna do this one, and then yeah. So I'm gonna go get the tools and see how handy I actually am to actually accomplish this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now.
These skies have a different light, why noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay close of God. There was no other way, did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home.
Yay! Okay, so I'm finally done, and this is the final product. I tried to change this one, but this one was giving me such a hard time, so I left it. So this is what it looks like. I can't wait to put it all together. Sorry for the shit lighting. Oh, sorry for the bad lighting. But my phone is on 5%, so that is the end of the video. Bye! So my dresser came in 3 boxes.